The puppies are so excited to be playing. It's been raining outside. They are learning the potty train outside. They went out willingly, but then they very eagerly came back in. Oh my goodness! Anyhow. Hey, buddy. Hey, that's a little boy. I do believe this little boy got the most wetness. Hey, looky here. Look at me. There's a little girl. Hey, you gonna look at me? Say, no, I'm playing. Anyhow, and that's the other boy that's available.
The bigger issue by far was the Santa conundrum. Vera was very much a fan.
Your hair needs to go back up, baby boy. Yeah.